Okay, so this is the reveal video for the steps that I did to see if there was a dramatic difference or any difference at all with the way you do them with the staple gun or with a tack strip on the risers or the treads, or with tack strip just on the treads. So again, I'm going to walk up the steps and I will show you how each individual one is done, and we'll just see if it makes that much of a difference. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. All of these, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only have tack strip on the tread, okay? So, as you can see, there's nothing wrong with that. Now, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. No, actually this one, and this one has it on the tread and on the riser. Not any difference in the way that looks, and they already have been vacuumed and everything like that. If you don't see any staple marks or anything, you would already see them because it's been vacuumed and cleaned and all that. So this one and this one has no tack strip in the back here or here. That's strictly staple gun. So as you can see, there are no staple marks. You can't see any anywhere. To be honest, I'm not messed up with just using a single piece of tack strip or just the staple gun, depending on the carpet. Now, if you get some high-end carpet, this definitely going to show some staple marks and stuff like that. You definitely want to use the double strip on the tread and the risers. But if you get a medium grade or a frisee or something like that where you're never going to see the staples, I don't see anything wrong at all with using just one row of tack strip or no tack strip as far as that goes. But definitely depends on the carpet, okay? So again, if it's a high-end carpet, you're definitely going to want to double strip it and use if you double strip it, the only places that you have to use the staple gun is right up underneath the here, and you're never going to see them in a high-end. Even in a high-end carpet, if they're up underneath the bullnose, you're not going to see them. So that's the reveal. Y'all tell me what y'all think. See if there's a yays or nays or anything like that. Okay, Jerry done this when I was doing the steps there, so looks like, as always, he does a good job. Appreciate your help. The purpose of this video was to show that now this is completely dependent on the carpet. It don't really matter how you do them, so long as you get professional results out of them. I actually had a gentleman ask me which was the most professional way to do them, and I said with double strip with tack strip on the tread and on the riser. I would like to retract that answer and say probably the most professional way is just whatever circumstance you're is, whatever kind of carpet you're working with, just adapt to what you got to work with based on your professional experience. Say if that was that kind of carpet that I just used in that video, I would have just done with whatever tack strip was on the steps. If there would have just been one row, I would have just used the one row. If there had been none, I would have just done none. The only difference, the only time that it really makes a difference is if you're using a real thin tight carpet or a high-end carpet, because then your staple marks are going to show. If it's a carpet where your staple marks are not going to show, it don't matter how you do them, so long as you get them tight, stretch them side to side. So my answer to the which way is the most professional I'm going to have to say um, just like I said, I guess just adapt to what you got, what steps you got, what kind of carpet you're working with, and just use what knowledge that you have. If you're not sure, just shoot a staple in it and see if it's going to show. And things are different. Things are always different in floor covering. It may be the same principle same principles to what I'm trying to say is there's no textbook way of doing things, okay? You have to completely adapt to whatever circumstances you find yourself in, and to me that is professionalism, when you can adapt to whatever circumstances you're in and still come out with good results. That's professionalism, and that is my answer to which is the best way to do the steps.